Hello beautiful people, welcome to my page, welcome to my channel. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking TV. So right here guys, I have some chicken leg that I boil with some seasoned salt and salt. And so right here guys, I'm seasoning up the chicken guys, because I'm gonna put this in the air fryer guys. So I'm gonna put different sauce and season on it. So right here guys, I'm putting some homemade ginger powder, putting some dill. Yes guys, I'm putting some dill on it. I'm putting the parsley, some parsley, dry parsley, some cayenne pepper. Yes guys, because I want it to have a little bit of spice to it. So I'm just adding some cayenne pepper guys. Be careful of cayenne pepper, they're very hot. Don't put too much. Some Japanese barbecue sauce guys. So guys, I have all kind of different sauce in my fridge. So I'm just gonna use a little of everything. Guys, I don't know if you catch that one, but guys, you could put whatever sauce you want on your chicken. Because as I say, I have different sauce in my fridge and I like to experiment, guys. So I just put everything on my stuff. Yeah, just, yes, guys, just put what you want on your chicken. This is some ketchup and all, different seasoning. Put on my gloves and try to put all the sauce over the chicken, guys. Rub the sauce on because the chicken is already cooked. So all I need it, just the sauce to change color on the chicken after I put it in the oven with using the air fryer. So guys, instead of deep fry your chicken, you can try this recipe, guys. You just put whatever sauce you want, put whatever seasoning you want, and you're good. So right here, guys, I'm just making my own thing, doing my own thing, guys. You don't have to do things the traditional way, because nowadays you have to try be healthy. The only thing is the chicken skin is on the chicken. I'm going to take off the chicken skin when it's time to eat it, because we're not going to eat the chicken skin, guys. I'm just taking off the excess sauce off the gloves, guys, and there you go, guys. So right here, guys, I'm putting some water in my pot. I'm cooking some white rice. So guys, and I'm doing some okra, some broccoli, and some sweet potato, guys. I'm not cooking a lot of food, guys, because sometimes you cook a lot of food and just stay in the fridge and spoil. So there is the broccoli, the okra, the right. I'm just putting a little pepper salt. Guys, I don't use a lot of salt, so just a pepper salt, guys. I put in the food. I put in some coconut cream or coconut oil, guys. I don't really use butter, so nowadays I try to use a little bit of coconut oil. Right here, I'm just turning on the stove so everything can go, just cook right here. So right there, guys, cover up everything and let the pot. Right there, guys, the broccoli is done. So we just pour off the water and let it stay there. Finish cook. The sweet potato is cooking and the rice is cooking and here go the chicken, guys. I'm just turning the chicken and to make it get color, guys. You have to keep turning chicken until you get color. So right here, the sweet potato is finished. I pour off the water and there goes the chicken. There goes the broccoli. There goes the okra. Here comes the final touch. Thank you for watching. Please follow and